My name's Andy Sider. Welcome to Springfield Township Touch a Truck. Today we're at the Public Work Facility. I'd like to demonstrate our swap loader for you today. A swap loader is a hydraulic hook lift system that we have mounted on our 2010 International DT 7300. Great thing about a swap loader is it's one truck, but it can do what 4 different trucks could do. We have 4 different attachments for it. We have a bucket that we can put on the back of it that the bucket truck will use for signage in the township. We can use to mount banners on Winton Road. We could actually use it to light poles, anything that you need to get up higher in. The bucket truck's a great asset to have. We can turn this into a snow plow and a salt truck. We can put a snow plow on the front of the vehicle. We can plow your streets. And at the same time, we can have a salt conveyor on the back of it that's throwing the salt out on the roads. We also have a watering truck attachment that we can mount on the back of it. And we use to water the flowers up on Winton Road. It's got 500 gallons of water that we can use. It really works out well. And the last thing we have is an 8-yard dumpster that we can actually take out onto a job site, drop it off, let the crew use it to fill it with garbage, brush, whatever they might need, have going on that day. Take the truck, go out, you can use it for the bucket part of things, and then when you're done with the bucket truck, drop it off, and then go back and pick up the dumpster from where the crew's using it. And the great thing with having a swap loader is you have 1 truck instead of 4 trucks. So that's saving you time and money for the maintenance on 4 different trucks where we only have the 1 truck to maintain now. You don't need to be in and outside of the truck. All your controls are inside the truck, and you can adjust and hook everything you need to right inside the truck. You never have to get out. Now that we're in the truck, let me show you some of the switches and controls we have inside the truck here. You'll notice the joystick, it's like playing video game. And when we have the snow plow hooked to the front of this joystick will basically control your plow, left, right, up, down. These switches here basically control how fast you want your salt conveyor to spit the salt out and how fast you want your spinner on the back of the conveyor to throw the salt out. These are basically just different switches. You have to have certain switches on to operate the bucket truck. Not all of these switches need to be used depending on what attachment is hooked up to the truck. These are just your strobe lights for the cab, for the rear. This is what they call your on spots. So if the streets get really icy, click this button on and these chains will actually fold down and they ride on the inside of the wheel. The tires are constantly hitting those chains, and that just helps you give you traction in the slicker snows. In the wintertime, we can actually put salt brine and we can treat streets with the salt brine. And what that does is we have a spray bar we can mount on the back of the salt truck, and the 500 gallons of salt brine will feed that spray bar. And this basically will just control the pressure of how much liquid you want hitting the pavement. Salt brine is just another way to use liquids. It's a cheaper way to try and take care of the streets instead of throwing salt down. This actually controls your air brakes. If you push that in, that will release your air brakes. That's basically your parking brake for the vehicle. You can be out using the bucket truck and the snow could start flying, and within 10-15 minutes you could have the salt truck ready to go and out on the road.